I was going to do this problem in an intellectual way. I wanted to find out, you cannot be rotationally symmetric, and you cannot have mirror images. So therefore, you cannot have any symmetry. So I thought I would just find ways to fill two boxes. So when I pick the first box to fill in, there are 8 choices. When I pick the second box to fill in, there are 8 choices. So there are 72 ways of filling in if you allow the rotation and those things. But there are lots of restrictions. So how can I avoid those restrictions? In other words, how many times would the same pattern occur? That's what I wanted to know. So, you could have 4 degrees rotation, right? You could have every time you turn 90 degrees is a different, looks different, but they are the same. So you could have out of 72, 4 are rotated, and then you could have mirror image going up and down, so it's 2. And you could have mirror image left and right, so that's 2. Okay, what if it's mirror and rotated? I think they end up coming to the same thing. So if you do it this way, what do you get? You get 72 over 16. I should have not multiplied here. So we got the 9, 8, and 4, and 4. This cancels. There's 2. This cancels. There's 2. We got wonderful answer of 9 over 2. How can you have 4.5 ways of doing things? It's got to be an integer. So, didn't work. And besides, there are many reasons it doesn't work, because some of them has a way of only 4 ways of duplicating, and others have 2 ways of duplicating. So what I'm saying, this intellectual approach of computing it failed. So now you got to do brute force. You got to actually count. All right. Shall we have it in such a way that it would not be duplicated? Now, I could have a pattern like this. Okay, first filled in. Now, I could fill in here. All right. That took care of 4 cases, right? Now, I want you to see, if I rotate it and flip and all, I will show you the ones that I should not do. This should not be happen. This should not happen. And also, I should not do this either, because they are all variations of this, right? If I rotate it or flip it, I get these things. So those are out. I should not do it. However, there's the one that I didn't cover with the in here is this one. This, no matter what I do to it, I could never make it. Now, when I did that, I should not do this, right? Because by flipping or rotating, I get that. And if I do this, I could get that too. So all these 3 are consequences of this guy. That's why I had divided by 4. Okay, now, then what's the next possibility? Basically, I'm done with the this mark in the center. So let's do one with in the corner. This, and if I go here, I did that before, right? So I cannot go here, but I could go here. Okay, should I show you what patterns are covered by this already? I had corner, and this is covered already, right? And this is also covered, and this is also covered. And should I just keep on going? Anytime there's here we go. It showed all 4 cases that are already covered. In fact, they didn't show everything, because this drawing didn't show this case either. So there are actually, I think, 8 different ways of doing this. Okay, so anyway, so those are all covered. So corner and adjacent one is taken, and corner and center is also taken. And what was not taken? Corner and away. Okay, I don't think I need to show you, but doing so, I covered this already, and this already. They're all this all can be created by rotating that. So I should not do those. Then what should I do? Corner and how about here? All right, and I don't have to show you what ones are already taken, right? Okay, then it's all taken. This one is taken. Center is taken. Now corner and opposite is not taken. So corner and next, corner and across, corner and kinda the knight's move on chessboard is not taken. Then extreme ones are not taken. Okay, so those are done. So we covered the center variation, we covered the corner variation, And then you have to cover this variation. This with center is already taken. This with corner, next corner is already taken, is here. This with the knight's move is already taken. Is there any other? Yes, this was not taken. Okay. Okay, is there anyone that is not taken yet? It's this one. Corner and no, edge and edge. That never happened. So that one was not taken. Of course, that covers all other cases like this or this or this. So let's not do those. Okay, I took the center and finished. I took the corner and finished. And I took the middle edge and I think I finished it. Any other are just variations of it, of the other ones. So through exhaustive search or in thinking, I came up with 8 patterns. And the answer sheet says that that's the right number. So that's what it is. But I am left with this uneasy feeling that I might be missing something, and I am not comfortable with this answer because there was no clear mathematical way to derive this. I had to eyeball it, and I had to look for the patterns, and I had to make sure that I was not missing anything. So I have this uneasy feeling, although I just finished solving this. So this is basically a trial and error problem, and it's the last one. For you to get problems like this, you have to have lots of time left at the end. For you to do that, you have to finish the easy ones quickly. See, getting the correct answer for the easy ones is not good enough. Those first 10, you got to just zoom through and get everything right. How can you do that? You have to know a lot of facts. So please go through the knowledge base. There, whenever I tell you to memorize certain things, you should. That shaves few seconds, which can be applied to this oddball problems that they come up for the last 5 problems of the contest. Okay?